delivery, a case study of topic of a manufacturing company produces temperature sensitive product which requires high precise temperature control system. So the objective of this case study is to implement temperature monitoring system which requires high precise temperature control system. So what is the device or what is the sensor, type of sensor you are using to control the temperature, used for a temperature monitoring system? Thermocouple sensor. It is the most widely used system which is used for high accurate temperature monitoring system. So what is temperature sensor? What is the purpose of temperature sensor? For where we are using the temperature sensor? It also helps to control and maintain the temperature in various environmental systems. Temperature sensor is used for the regular monitoring and recording of temperature or humidity or anything maybe. So it involves environmental factor also. If you are checking the weather condition, means you certainly you have to use the temperature sensor. So that is one of the type of temperature sensor is called thermocouple. Okay. So what are all the things you are notice when we are using the temperature sensor?
Thermocouples can provide accurate temperature changes and temperature readings and wide temperature range. Thermocouples can measure wide range of temperature and fast response time. Thermocouples can respond quickly to the temperature changes.
So now coming to the point. If you are measuring the temperature, weather, okay. So you have to record the varieties of data which will be on early morning to night. So you have to measure the data where it may be rainy season or anything else. It may be measured using the temperature sensor. So lot of data are collected and then processed for weather monitoring system. So what are the type of storage devices which incorporate with this temperature sensor is data logging. So data logger is used for the collection and storing of data. So other factors which involves in temperature sensors are
measures temperature and used in the manufacturing process data acquisition system. It collects the temperature in the form of data and store it into the form of data.
So the construction of the temperature sensor. Temperature sensor in physics, there is a famous chapter to study about the temperature. Everybody know about the chapter? Thermodynamics. So thermodynamics is the topic which studies all about heat, temperature and everything. Anyone know the equation?
This is the construction of a thermocouple. This thermocouple has a similar metal wires and it has two junctions which are measuring junction. It is in the hot state because the heat source is present below the measuring junction and the reference junction and it is in the cold state. In between these two junctions, voltmeter is connected to measure the voltage.
So in thermometer, we are using the famous element to measure your body temperature. Mercury. So that is in the semi-liquid consistency form. So it is one of the type of temperature measuring instrument. So based on the working principle, these are all the process which involves selecting of thermocouple. So what are the applications of thermocouple?
Thermocouple has various applications. The first one is fire alarms and fire detection systems. And the second one is paper factory and textile factory. The third one is military equipment. And the fourth one is 3D printers.
So these are all the applications of thermocouples.